Good morning, guys. Bye-bye, Canada. See you later. Friend, dito ako. Bye. See you soon. I'm here at the airport. See you guys. Pero teka, kunyari ako alis. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go, guys. See you, Philippines. Ay, US. See ya. Have a good day. Wala na tayo. Check-in na tayo, guys. See ya. Nakita ka naman. Okay na. Okay.
Okay, babe.
Uy, elevator tayo.
Sige. Saan ba?